you over 40 and thinking, oh, I just don't know what videos to make? Or maybe you're worried your content won't stand out. Well, don't worry, because today I've got you covered. Hi lovely people, and welcome to Learn with Nia, the channel where I help those of us over 40 get set up and growing on YouTube. If you never want to run out of content ideas again, remember to watch till the end and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future tips. So here are some tips to help you with those content ideas. Tip number 1, leverage your experience. So share your knowledge, share your life experience, because creators that are over 40 like us bring unique perspective that younger creators just cannot make because they just haven't got the life experience. So some examples of this could be career advice or lessons you've learned throughout your life. It could be parenting tips, especially for those of us who are parents in our 40s of younger children, because I tell you what, I needed a lot of advice and I still do. And I'd rather learn from people who are over 40 like me. Or you could share hobbies or skills you've mastered over the years. So you might want to set up a woodworking channel if you're good at woodworking, or a music channel if you're a musician. You can use your hobbies to build your YouTube channel. So tip number 2, tutorials and how-to videos. So teaching is evergreen content, okay? And what I mean by that is people can come back to it at any time. That content is still relevant. And people always want to learn. They want to learn new skills. They want to learn about new activities. They want to learn about new places, everything. People love to learn. So you could do tech tutorials for beginners, like I've done on Canva to make thumbnails. You could teach people how to use social media, how to use Facebook, how to use TikTok. You could teach DIY projects, or how you tile your kitchen, how you've redecorated your lounge, how you've made that lovely sideboard for your dining room. Or you could teach arts and crafts, or cooking, or gardening, or home improvement guides. The list is endless. But like I said, people love to learn. So if you teach something, you're sure to get noticed and you're sure to build a community. So tip number 3, life stories and personal experiences. So storytelling builds connection and authenticity. So you could share life lessons which you wish you'd known in your 20s or 30s. You could share funny or interesting stories from your travels across the world. You could share stories about your career and what you've done to get where you are, or the different paths you took to reach where you are now. And you could also tell stories on challenges and how you overcame them. People love a good story. And if a story is also educational, then it hits 2 topics in one video. And that brings high value to your audience. So tip number 4, reviews and recommendations. So people trust real life experiences. And reviews can create engagement and attract viewers who are searching for advice. So you could review books or courses you've attended, or even tools for your niche. Whether that's a type of bandsaw for woodworking, or a capo for your guitar. Or you could do product comparisons, perhaps 2 different cameras or 2 different air fryers. You could compare both of them and find which is the best, because people will watch those videos. Or you could do lifestyle or wellness recommendations. What supplements you take as a woman over 40 just to stay sane. Tip number 5, trend-inspired content. So you could adapt trends to suit your audience and style. So something like reactions to viral videos, but with your perspective. These are videos that have a high volume of views, okay? You could do commentary on news or pop culture that's relevant to your age group. Or you could make challenge videos for people. Like, oh, I've done this, can you do it? And these types of videos always get a high amount of views. So you can't go wrong with one of these. Tip number 6, community and collaboration. So collaboration grows your reach and builds connections, okay? So you could do videos interviewing other creators over 40, or hosting Q&A sessions or live videos with your audience on YouTube. And you could share or react to your viewers' content or stories as well. So collaboration with other people on videos can work well. And my final tip for generating your own ideas would be to keep a running list of ideas. Every time something inspires you, jot it down. Ask your audience what they'd like to see. Use polls or comments because those can be your goldmine. And try maybe mixing some content types. So try tutorials, stories, reviews, advice, and even trends if you like, to just try and keep your channel fresh. But remember, try and stick to your niche if you can, because making a channel full of mixed content that doesn't link together in any sort of way will confuse the algorithm. So mix the style of your content, but try and stick to your niche. So to summarise, content ideas for over 40s are actually all around you. Your experience, your skills, your stories, and your audience's interests. The key is to combine authenticity with creativity, and then you'll never run out of ideas again. So tell me, which of these ideas are you going to try first? Comment below because I'd love to see what you come up with. And if you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video, especially if you're over 40 and just starting out on YouTube. I am here to help you. And remember, you've got this, and I'll see you in the next one.